So a message saying that I should explain how this zone right here is an accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. Okay, so it was a trade that this girl, this queen of trade, that is queen made this trade here yesterday, and I think she got um she traded it yesterday and she made profit yesterday, so she was very happy. So big congrats to you, Queen. And I expect every other person to do the same. What is encouraging. So for other members of the group, drop your own analysis, whether you are sure about it or you are not sure about it. This is what I am here to explain to and to make you all profitable. So what happened? She said she made she saw this zone as an AMD. That's why she took the trade. She took a long trade and made a profit. So let's go down. This is a 15 minutes time frame, but I'm going to use a lower time frame. Okay, price consolidate and then be manipulated and start distributing um ahead. Let me use back testing. Let's just back test it. I think it will be better. So let's back test it to here. So this is it. So she let's move forward a little bit. Let's just play it a little bit. So what do we have here? Now we know that price have broken this structure. Okay, price have broken this structure. This is a break. Okay, now we're no more on a downtrend again. Okay, this is a break of structure. No more on a downtrend again. Okay, now where did price change character? Where did price change character? Price change character here. Remember, there is going to be a change of character before a break of structure, right? Market structure shift or change of character, both at the same time. So MSS market structure shift or change of character. Now, it is because this is the last high that broke structure low. Okay, this is the last high that broke structure. I'm going to explain it so that you understand how she made the trade or what I think of how she made the trade. This is my own analysis. Now we have a break of structure here, sorry, and price. This is now our low. Okay, this is our high. This is our low, and then price change character here, telling us that we have taken the swing high that broke structure. Now price broke structure, change character here. We now have a new high. Okay, this is now a new high, and then price came down. It did not take this low. As you can see, price did not break through this low or even try to take liquidity. It did not take the low, so this is still a valid low. Then price pushed higher and broke the high. That is now when it became a break of structure. I hope you understand that. So let's continue. All right. Now, okay, let's keep on going. So we have now let's understand something again. We have this other block here. This is a 5 minutes time frame. I don't normally analyze with 5 minutes time frame, but I will do my best. So we have a low. We have a low here that push price up higher, right? So this low right here is kinda like this is an other block. Okay, so this low right here is kinda like a it's not is that is an other block that is holding on to prices from pushing lower. Okay, this is an order block. This bearish candlestick is where the order block started. and it is holding on to prices from pushing lower. Let me draw it as a zone so that we mark out how price swept, manipulated, and took liquidity below. Now we have the zone like this. Let's all right. Bingo. Now we now understand that price have done what? Price have for this is around when? This is 8:20. That is London opening. London, the first 30 minutes of London opening. London took Asia what? I think where did Asia today is so yesterday should be day before yesterday should be okay, this is Asia low. This is Asia low. This is Asia high. So London swept this low right here, but it did not take a shallow. It did not even try to come down to fair value gap because this is a 5 minutes time frame. So 5 minutes time frame is just not really necessary for targeting other blocks and whatever. Okay, I use 15 minutes, but I'm trying to explain with the 5 minutes based on the accumulation part. Now, when price took this low, it swept liquidity. Now we have manipulation is whereby we have a high. This is the high, low, a high. Like I said in my video in resistance and support is whereby we have a continuity in either support or resistance. So this is a valid. It's not really bright, right? Let me make it more brighter. So this is more like a valid accumulation. This accumulation price is accumulating around here. I hope you can see it clearly. I need to make it brighter. Let me just use red. And this is an accumulation. Price is accumulating. This is a resistance area. You can see the first, the second, third, fourth, a support area inside of this other block. And price push down, taking this liquidity. Let's play it and see what happens. Okay, bingo. Now, price took this liquidity. This this low that took the liquidity is manipulation. Okay, this is the manipulation. This is what this low is a manipulation. And then price pushed up, pushed down, and then push up. This bullish engulfing candlestick pushing up. Okay. Now we now have a what price have changed character here again from going bearish to going bullish. So price change character here. This is a change of character in a lower time frame. Oh. So this is a change of character after price have took this liquidity. Okay. Change of character, price push higher. And then I think she entered the market around here. I think this is where she entered the market. Yes. She entered the market around here. Her stop loss was below the low of this. This is queen stop loss, and then she targets 1 to 2 RR. Now let's play it and see how what happens. Okay. Now, okay, wait, let's price break the high, then I'll explain. Bingo. So what then happened? Price change character here. Okay. Making this low. Making this low the what? A valid low. Price is not break through the low. So price retested this area. It's more like price retested this demand zone. Like I said in my previous video, this is a demand zone here. This is a demand zone. Okay. Since price broke, took liquidity below here, pulled up, pulled down, pulled up strongly, break changing character here, made this new high, price came down inside of this demand zone. Okay, what did I say is a demand zone? A demand zone is a zone where we have a what? A low, a high, a low, a high that broke a previous high. Okay, making here a valid demand zone. Okay, so we are now expecting price to push back into this zone and push higher. So this is what I believe Queen did, made her profit yesterday using a simple strategy of accumulation, manipulation, and what and distribution. So big congrats to Queen. I hope you do give away for us. This is it, guys. This is how Queen made her profit. Hope you understand. If you have any question, you let me know. If you have any question at all, you let me know. So this is a very good setup. Very nice. I like what she did. So thumbs up to you, Queen. You did very greatly. So here, I think I'm on a short. I entered short here. Entered short here. So price is still trading. So I entered short around here. This is Asia high. This is Asia low. So I'm expecting price because here is a supply zone. I think I've already dropped the video. I guess I've already dropped the video. So this is supply zone. Okay. This zone is a supply zone. Price tried to push up higher, but it failed. It just took this liquidity, and I'm expecting it to continue to come down into this demand zone. So anytime price comes at this range, I might be taking profit from this range or around this. In fact, I might be taking profit around this range. This range is where I'll be taking profit. Okay. Thank you all. God bless you. You can enter this trade if you want, but look at the market and be, use a very good risk management. That is it for today. For accumulation, manipulation, and distribution that Queen took that made profit for her. Understand? If you have any question, please ask.